Right, so I will install Power Automate Desktop first. Double click this, click next, and select the last option. Make sure you're at the correct directory and click install. Okay, so now once done, install the extension by clicking on the Google Chrome. I add to Chrome and then I add extension. Afterwards, make sure that it's enabled by clicking on this extension, click manage extension and ensure it's enabled here. Okay, so once done, after that you can close this and then click on launch app. Okay, you are required to re-log in again. Click sign in and then enter your email address followed by the password. And the same thing, click skip for now. Okay, it will take some time. Alright, so you will not be seeing this because I'm using my existing account. So for your case, everything will be empty.